Ooh, you can hear it. Got the max speeding rods, GT35 Turbo. Go, 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 go. So I got the vinyl on this one too. I gotta wash this thing, man. This car looks abandoned. But how strange this man. How strange this man. So today we're gonna do something slightly different. Still working on the 240. But we have to postpone it right now because we need to focus on the daily driver today. Be taking out the alternator on this GS300. It should be the same for all 2JZ motors, so IS300, SC300, GS300, and of course the Supra. Right up there I can see it, so alternators are pretty easy to change out. Shouldn't take too long. On your starter, alternator, any electrical stuff, your ECU, you want to unplug your battery. I got my battery plugged into my charger right now while it's out. This shouldn't take too long. When I worked at Sears, they told me to never put batteries on concrete, so all our batteries was like lifted off the ground. So I don't know if it'll ruin it, but that's just, I just haven't put batteries on the ground for like the last 10 years. So you can see I got it on some blocks of wood. Alright, so it seems like it's just like 4 10mm wrenches to take off whenever you do it. So one right here, one right there, right here, and right there, and then 2 10mm on the mass airflow sensor. I might just clean that mass airflow sensor while I'm here, you know. Show you the trick to getting this belt off. I look under the hood, there's no diagram. I might just post one right up here. But right here is the tensioner pulley, so you just take a 14. You put your 14 on there, and then you put another wrench, and then you just push it to the side, and you'll see that it'll move, and that's how you get the belt on and off. The 240 build is still going on. I'm still putting this engine together, but I got surgery, so I didn't do anything for like a month. But I'll show you where we're at. I got this nice deck built over here, and I got my toolboxes hidden and stuff. But alright, so last time you guys saw the motor, I had taken it apart and I had shaved the cylinder head. I got the cylinder head back on the cams and I got it all timed. I just got to put on the front timing cover. So I did the front timing cover, I did the front main seal, the thermostat, the water pump that's in here, positive crankcase ventilation. Yeah, PVC right there. So I just gotta put everything back together. But you know, priorities. I gotta prioritize the daily driver. All right, I don't want to get too distracted from what we're really here for today in this video, but I do have some video that I'm working on for the 240 motor. I just gotta finish editing it, and I have like a few hours worth of footage that I still have to just go through, so just bear with me. Alright, so after I got surgery, I couldn't do any heavy lifting, but I went ahead and went shopping a little bit. I got the max speeding rods, GT35 Turbo, hog manifold. I got the feed from max speeding rods and the drain right in here, but I have to get the fitting, but I'll get it running first. I got a Walboro 255 fuel pump. I know that says AEM, but it's actually a genuine Walboro 255. Yeah, you can't really see it. Yeah, there you go, Walboro. I'm using the RS enthalpy tune, so with that, I need the Z32 MAF. So I have the Z32 MAF right there. I also have a backup that the guy gave me for free. I guess it wasn't free because, you know, I had to buy that. But yeah, this is just a spare one. I can use that aluminum MAF housing for this, so that'd be cool. Tomei fuel pressure regulator. The factory Nissan 240SX injectors right here are 270 cc's. So I got the ones from the OEM Subaru Impreza STI. They're 550 cc's. They're side feed as well, so they fit right on here. And then I actually have these adapter pieces for them as well, so they actually plug into the Nissan I don't know the Nissan, you know, the clips, they plug into that. I also got this cheap eBay intercooler. I think it was like $40, but as long as it doesn't leak, I'm sure it'll be fine for like 250 horsepower. Shouldn't be bad. I have OEM SR injectors, and then I have this blow-off valve. This is the fake HKS. It says SQV on it instead of HKS. So it's a knockoff. The guy who gave this to me, he gave it to me with the pipe. He said that it actually works good. He just didn't like having this. So this is going to get upgraded, but I mean, he gave it to me for free, so I might just put it on there, get it running, and then just change it out. So let's get back to the GS. So we got the old, here, let me move it back. We got the old one out. It's next to the new one. So it's just a 14 millimeter bolt that goes right here. A 14 millimeter nut that goes on here. Take the nut and then you pull it off. It's sitting on a stud. I thought it was a bolt, but it's not. It's a stud that you slide it off. So that's kind of cool. I never came across that in any of the Nissans or any of the cars. Ooh, you can hear it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. This one's quiet. So yeah. Also, I had a little oil leak, so I'm sure that didn't help. A Toyota one. So I don't see any of the markings on this one. I don't know if this is the original alternator that came in there. I thought it was, but yeah, I don't think so. ND. So we'll put that back in the box. We'll take that, get our $40 core charge back for it, and we'll just keep rocking. Alright, so we got everything back together. Earlier in the video, I said I couldn't find the belt diagram under the hood. It's right there. So I'll probably take a picture and post that. And then I actually broke the bolt that goes in there because I was kind of rushing it. My mom invited me over for dinner. I'm going to turn it on and see if she starts. You see, it's not really charging it while I was driving it, so battery died. I'll get this little magnet out. Whomp. If I was smart, I wouldn't drop it. But I always drop it. Kind of cool, both the Lexus and the 240 SX both take 5W30 and both use the 3614 oil filters. I noticed the new one is significantly smaller than the one I pulled out, so you know, hopefully it doesn't change anything. Hopefully I don't get rod knock, but using Fram, who knows, right? Go. I'm only gonna use a snippet of this because not everybody wants to watch oil getting poured in to a motor. Alright, so we finished the oil change, we finished the alternator. I actually ran down the street, I got new tires and I got an alignment on this. But let me show you something else. I picked up some new vinyl. So I got this one, this is my old sticker. Just nice little vinyl to show the channel support. I'll show you the 240 also. So the 240 got it. This was my original sticker from like a year ago. So I got the vinyl on this one too. I gotta wash this thing, man. This car looks abandoned. But thanks for watching. If you guys like this type of content, consider subscribing. It'll help out the channel. We got big things coming for the channel for this bad boy right here. And then maybe in the future we'll put a little turbo on this car, the Lexus. So that's it. Thanks, guys.